What is up, everybody? It's your boy AronRSX. I know. It's been 3 whole months since I last posted, but I am back. A lot of things has happened to the RSX, as you guys can probably tell. A lot of things have happened since the last time you guys saw it. It now has brand new wheels. Now has more camber. I have a sub in there now, and other than that, the car is back to where it was before, just different wheels, new setup obviously, and everything else is about the same. But I will update you guys on what happened to the RSX while I was gone for the past 3 months. One major thing was that the RSX actually got state ref back in August. That's why I didn't really get to post any videos or anything like that, but I got the state rep taken care of and we're back on the road. Damn, she looking, oh my god, on camera she looking bussin', but I'm gonna need to give her a wash because that shit, bird poop all over my car. But damn, she look good. That booty fat, boy. Oh my god, that Fitbit, oh my god. But we are not here for that. You guys can probably tell from the title of the video, we are going to be installing 326 lug nuts. Now I got these a couple days ago with Timmy. I drove out an hour and a half to the bay, and I got these for pretty much a steal, brand new, $150. So these from 326 Power is like, I believe 200, I think 20-ish. So after tax is gonna be around 250, and I only paid 150 for these brand new 326 lugs. So that's what we're gonna do today, installing these. But as you guys can probably tell, I'm missing a couple. Damn, look at them. Oh my god, real wheels. Oh my god. But I am missing a couple on each wheel, so it's time for me to, you know, add on. Yeah, I'm missing one on each, and I'm pretty sure this one only is running 3, so 4. So yeah, I bought these 326 lugs to complement the 326 Power license plate bolts that I got a while back. As you guys can probably tell from the other videos, it does match the red on red, but it should complement the car so much because it's just like a little hint of red, and it complements the raised caps as well. I'll show you guys what happened with these, but yeah, this should be a little compliment to my car, and it should be a little flex. You feel what I'm saying? You feel what I'm saying? I am a little under the weather, so excuse the way I am sounding right now and talking. In a couple more videos I should be okay. I'm just taking this time to rest up, vlog for you guys, and give you guys some content, some RSX content that you guys have been waiting for. You guys have been DMing me, you guys have been commenting in my posts. For those of you who are following my Instagram, you guys know the RSX's changes throughout the past 3 months that I have not been uploading. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, go follow that at AronJosh or Daily RSX for some updates if you guys aren't already followed. And you guys can follow me through there since I do post there pretty often, almost every single day. And it should be like a little update for you guys while I am not posting on YouTube. But I am back. I always say that, but I'm trying my best to get the last month of the year as much as videos as possible. There are more things coming to the RSX. I bought a lot of things coming to the RSX. As you can see, the 326 lugs were one of them, and hopefully it should change the look just a little bit. It should complement the car just a lot. And damn, why she look hella shiny, but she hella dirty right now. Let's get started with the install. It should be a quick, easy install. I never knew that you can install lug nuts without jacking up the car. All you have to do is just take out one by one. So you take out the old lug nut, then you put the new one in, and you're good. I never knew that. I'm hella dumb. Is that like everyone knows that, or like I never knew that. Like every time I would switch out lug nuts, I would jack up the whole car. That whole process of jacking up the car and taking out all the lug nuts and swapping them. But here, I'm gonna do the lazy way and swapping them one by one, so I don't have to jack up the car and put in extra work. So if you guys knew that, comment down below, because I did not know that. Hopefully it should be an easy process. Hopefully none of the bolts are stripped. I'm pretty sure it's not, because I just put on the new gram lights on. And yeah, I'll update you guys soon. But without further ado, let's get right into installing the 326 lug nuts on the RSX. So, as you guys can see, I did the first 5 and it looks super good. Oh my god, like, it's not too much, but it adds so much to the car, like the detail. Oh my god, that shit looks so beautiful. Oh my god. But I'm gonna do the rest of the car and I'll update you guys once that's finished.
A few moments later.
Guys, I'm so sad. I got all the lug nuts on, right? Everything was going so smoothly, and look what decided to happen. Like, oh my god, bro. The wheel stud broke off while I was tightening it. I wasn't even tightening it. Like, I was just slowly tightening it, and all I heard is it break. I'm like, bro, are you serious right now, bro? Like, are you serious right now, bro? Oh my god. Now I'm running no lug nut and it's stuck in there, so I can't even use it. The bad luck lug nut. Alright y'all, it's the next day. I didn't get to film the rest of the day because it got too dark and I know that it's not gonna be enjoyable for you guys. But all I did was just get some bubble with Timmy and that was it. I'm gonna show you guys the car later on in the video, but as of right now we are at Timmy's house. Damn, you haven't seen that car in a while, huh? Sheesh. But we're going to be headed to a couple pick and pulls to check out some RSXs that got dropped this month. Hopefully you didn't get anything. Hopefully it's not fully stripped out. But we are trying to get some couple pieces for our cars. And hopefully try to get something for, or hopefully try to get something rare. I doubt that something's gonna pop up, but I'm trying to get something for my car too, some interior pieces, and Timmy's trying to get a door actuator for his passenger side, so that's where we're going. It's going to be in the Bay, all 3 of them, so it's going to be like an hour drive, then another like 20-30 minutes down to the next one, then another 20-30 minutes down to the next one. So, we got a road trip ahead of us. Hopefully everything goes good, everything goes smooth, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the road. Alright everybody, I'm with the man himself, Mr. King RSX. Nobody knows this, but we're in front of Starbucks right now, and 2 RSXs, the 2 cleanest RSXs in SAC are parked right here. But the thing is, we're disguised as the CR-V. Yeah, we got our Starbucks. I got my matcha. Timmy got
my sandwich.
This motherfucker, bro. What a fucking fat ass, bro. Look at this shit. Motherfucker got a cake pop and a fucking sandwich and a fucking drink.
So when you go to Starbucks, right, when you get like pink drinks or whatever, don't get a venti cup. Get a tall cup of whatever drink you want with no ice. And after you ask them for a venti cup of ice. After that, once you get those 2 cups, you take off the lid for the tall, pour it into a venti cup, and this is what you get. You get a venti cup of drink for like what, like $3-4 instead of like $7-6. Can't go wrong.
Life hack. But we're on the way. We're going to the first one in Fairfield, and then the next one's gonna be in, I think, Vallejo, and then the next one's gonna be in Newark. So we got a long drive ahead of us, and we'll see you guys on the road. Alright, you guys, we're in the first one. We're in Fairfield. This one's in the fucking middle of nowhere. Holy shit, but there's 4 RSXs here that we're gonna hit. Hopefully nobody took them all. And we'll see if this trip is successful. Damn! Clear tails. Bro, that would look clean, bro.
Fire, I'm not gonna lie.
Damn, on a white TL2? Shit. Must be fucking nice. Damn. It's a base model. For sure. I haven't been in a pickup pool in so long. Look at that. Stock header. Hey, the rear seat's pretty good. If y'all need some.
Damn, boy.
Oh! Clear tails! Damn. If y'all need some clear tails, bro, right here. Where's the other pair, though? They hide it under this. What the fuck is that shit? Is that shit?
That's grease off the axle.
Nothing on this one, so probably gonna move on to the next, see what we can get. Here's the next RSX. Whoa, he put the, why would you put this shit hella high up? He must be hella low. I'll probably take this piece.
Look at these taillights.
Oh, what the hell? This fucking pimple right here. These taillights I've never seen before.
This is ugly.
Update. I got my part. I just needed the piece that goes onto here, so it'll like lock on and stuff for the visor. And Timmy's trying to get this door actuator because his is going out. The thing that locks it and unlocks. But the thing is, we only got 3 screws out, and we stripped the other 2. So these are really hard to take out. We wish we had WD-40 and just fucking tore that bitch apart, but nope. That shit's hard. This motherfucker decides to put a Type S dash or odometer on a base model. Base model. Like, what are you RSX people doing, bruh? Whatever, but oh hell no, yeah. What the fuck? And the paint on this is hella ass. And like this taillight, it gotta go, my boy. Trying to be like a 0506.
Where windshield delete?
More airflow.
Where windshield delete?
Who needs AC, bruh?
That's a spider right there.
Where? Oh! Oh! Hey! 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 Oh, I think he dead, bruh. Oh yeah, he dead.
Oh hell, he don't look dead.
Oh, what the hell?
And now he's dead.
Oh. No, that motherfucker moving. Look! That motherfucker moving, bro. He gotta jump. He's gonna jump. He's gonna fucking jump. Here's the last RSX we found. The taillights are still pretty good. I might have to cop, but oh hell no, boy. What is that? What is that?
Bro.
What? Damn! What the fuck did you hit?
Damn, boy.
Holy fuck, look at the fucking hood, bro. They took the whole door.
Oh, it's bent right there.
Took the whole fucking door. That's tough. Oh my god, a fucking razor. Oh hell no. This junkyard was a bust. On to the next one. Alright guys, so we are in Picket Pool in Richmond.
Yeah.
And we took a complete L, even though it came in 2 weeks ago. It was all stripped and there was nothing worth anything. And it was hard to get the door actuator.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I got my little piece right here that I needed, this thing. But other than that, it was an L. So we're gonna head home and we'll see you guys when we get home. Alright guys, we're still in Richmond and we decided to stop by a Mexican spot because they had hella over here, so you know what, we might as well stop by. But we got some elote. He got the Cheeto one. For me, I got the agua fresca strawberry.
I got the vanilla wrapper. Something I don't even know. Raspadados.
And then we gotta fuck this shit up because this shit look fucking beautiful. There you guys have it. This is the RSX with the wheel reveal and including the 326 lugs that I installed. It is the next day and I actually got the parts that I wanted and Timmy didn't, so he's just gonna order online and it'll just save him the hassle. So we took a W and an L on this one. So yeah, the RSX is finally complete. You guys can tell I do have negative camber in the front now. If you guys want to know how I did negative camber on the fronts of the RSX, let me know in the comment section down below. It's pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory, and I'll show you guys in another video pretty soon. Now these wheels are the Gram Lights, the T57 RC. These are the first OG Gram Lights that were ever made. That's why you guys don't see them too often. And I'm loving the 5-spoke look on the RSX. It looks super good compared to the work wheels. Don't get me wrong, I do miss the work wheels and I do wish I did keep them. But other than that, we are still rocking the real wheels. I'm not repping reps anymore. I'm out of that rep phase, and up next is 3-piece wheels. Let me know what would look good on the RSX, some 3-piece wheels, maybe some BSKF. I do want some TE37 Mark Vs, the deep dish ones. But these are a 18 by 9.5 plus 22 squared. I am running a 25 mil spacer on all 4. On the fronts, I added a 5 mil. I need to add the 5 mils on the rears, so it'll be plus 30, which is probably, I think, -8. So right now I'm 18 by 9.5, -8, I believe, on the front, and then -3. I don't know my math, but yeah, 326 lugs look so good. They complement the car so much. Now normally, if you buy them off the 326 website, it's gonna be around $220 something without tax and shipping. Shipping is another probably like $20, so that's about $250. I paid $150 for these lug nuts, and safe to say I am very happy. And the lug nuts actually match the license plate bolts, and I love them so much. It complements the car so much. Like, I thought the lug nuts would pop out so much because they're red, but honestly they're so subtle, but at the same time they pop out so much because the red with the tail lights, the red with the license plate frame and the license plate bolts, and now the red with the lug nuts. So I'm happy with how the RSX is coming out. I just want to thank you guys for 1,900 subscribers. I know I haven't posted in 4 months, and I'm sorry. I will upload more often now that the RSX is back. I will tell you guys a story time on how I got stay refed and how I dealt with it, but that'll be in another video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys again from the bottom of my heart for subscribing while I was away, and you guys killed it with over 100 subscribers in that period of time I was gone, and I'm just thankful for that you guys are sticking around. You guys have been DMing me, commenting that where's the next video, when's the next video gonna drop, all that, and here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please hit a like. Comment down below what y'all think of the new wheels and the 326 lugs and the camber on the car, and I'll see you guys in the next one. This is AronRSX signing out. Peace.